Okay, I'm doing part 2. This is whatever, 8 o'clock at night. I left the battery connected. I know it's only been about, let's call it 6 hours. That's plenty. Let's see, sorry about my Hollywood camera work, but I'm going to show you that I have battery, and it's not going to start. And then I'm going to, you know what I'm going to do, since I did leave it out here, just for the hell of it, since it's so freaking easy, not really in my car. It's just held down by little nuts that I can unscrew with my hand. The bracket to the battery thing. I might just bring it in and trickle charge it and see what happens in the morning. And obviously we're 99% starter right now. So I'm going to show you that I have battery, assuming that I do. So we will see. Strong sounds, very strong lights. Strong dome light, strong headlights. Okay, turn all that off. Yeah, one crank. So one crank, we're with the starter, dude. See that? So I got one crank, and then I got like 5 cranks. So essentially, I'm sure I still have heat. Oh, I ran this car all day today. So it's nice and toasted. I cracked the thing like you said. I might just pull the battery in just so, in case there is a draw. Let's say there's something going on with the starter. The foul starter is somehow pulling electricity from my battery, somehow killing the battery. I don't know. Just out of paranoia, I know I can just disconnect the cable. I know that. But I'm going to bring it in and trickle charge it, I think. Maybe. Let's just call that a maybe. I don't want to hear about unnecessary stuff. But so I got one crank, and then now I got the cranks I needed. So there you go. It could be as simple as, it doesn't have a solenoid. Couldn't it just be as simple as the starter solenoid on the starter? Apparently works, but the solenoid part maybe not relaying the power to it. I don't know. Maybe it's doused in freaking fluid. But there you go. So we're at the starter. We're definitely at the starter. Fuck it. I mean, I guess it could be a connection. I know my terminals are tight. I'm not going to assume that they have. Did my shit freeze up? Oh, yeah. I know that my. I mean, I guess it could be, but I know they're tight. You know, it could just be the quality of metal on my terminals. I wish it. No, it can't be. We're at starter. We're at starter. We have to be. If I'm getting power to everything else, right, that would make sense. Everything else is strong. My alternator is pumping into the battery. So there would be no sense in just there would be no sense it being any of these cables and only affecting the starter. No way. So anyway, all right, done.